Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Mufassil. In today's video, we are going to discuss about list in Python. So, in our first program that you are seeing in your screen is about to find the sum of all elements in list and check if a value exists in a list or not. So here we have taken a list from user called numbers, which contains five integers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. A list is a collection of basically a list is a collection of elements that can be of any type like numbers, strings, etc. and is enclosed within square bracket. Using the sum function, the line total is equals to sum between parentheses numbers uses Python's built-in sum function. The sum function takes an iterable like a list, tuple, etc. as an argument and returns the sum of all the elements in that iterable, which in this case some numbers adds up all the numbers in the numbers list, which are 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, which is equals to 150. The result of this sum 150 is then assigned to the variable total, and and then it will print. Now, checking the value which exists in the list, so which is the value that is taken from the user, and then checking it that it exists in this list or not. So we have setting the target element by taking the input from user, that is 30, as you are seeing in the screen. The hint keyword is a membership operator in Python that checks whether a specific item is present in a collection like a list, string, tuple, dictionary, etc. If 30 is found, the condition if if 30 is found, the condition evaluates to true and the message 30 exists in the list will be printed. If 30 is not found, the condition evaluates to false and the message 30 does not exist in the list will be printed.